It was a year ago when I saw you here, in the cold of winter as the snow fell down from the sky. We were two strangers sitting together. I thought you looked like someone I used to know. And we walked along this long sandy beach, just for an hour in the early evening. You told me there's no time to speak now, so we sat and drank and watched the waves roll in, until the stars came out at night, and then the moon began to shine. Then I started to fall asleep now, so we sat and drank and watched the waves roll in, until the stars came out at night, and then the moon began to shine. Then I started to fall asleep, till the sunrise woke me up again. No, I can't forget all the wonderful things that happened between us all those years ago. No, I can't forget all the wonderful things. Until the stars came out at night, and then the moon began to shine. Then I started to fall asleep, till the sunrise woke me up again. Now I can't forget all the wonderful things that happened between us all those years ago. Now I can't forget all the wonderful things that happened between us all those years ago. Now I can't forget all the wonderful things that happened between us all those years ago.
Met a girl from Axminster. She moved down to Plymouth Town. She smiled and my heart whispered, but then she wasn't around. Days turned dark like a winter, lost her warmth and her sweet voice. I felt lost and tried to set her in the silence, no choice. Axminster girl, where did you go? I need to know, oh I need to know. Axminster girl, why'd you leave so soon? Lost without you, under the moon. Picked up my old telephone, dialed a number with hope, hoping she's not alone. My heart on a tightrope. She answered soft and tender, her voice like summer rain. Could we start to remember? Could we heal the pain? I just said, girl, where did you go? I need to know, oh I need to know. Ask me, said, girl, why'd you leave so soon? Lost without you, alone, my heart on a tightrope. She answers soft and tender, her voice like summer rain. Could we start to remember? Could we heal the pain? Ask me, girl, where did you go? Where did you go? I need to know, I need to know, oh, I need to know, oh, I need to know. Ask me, girl, why'd you leave so soon? Lost without you, under the moon, under the moon. She lived on North Street in old Axminster town. Father ran the laundry work so hard. Pubs were lined like soldiers, every door she knew. Castle Lamb and Red Lion, George Hotel too. Pippin's Youth Club was the place to be. You'd steal a kiss when no one else could see. Dawkins was the posh shop in the square. Dreams were big, though pockets often spare. And we laugh and we cry underneath the Devon sky, with our hearts open wide. In Axminster we'd confide. Take the bus down to Lyme, Regis, hoping for some sunshine, dodging English rain. Life was simple back when we were young. Every corner held a story, every song was sung. The sun grew quiet as the night would fall. Streetlights flicker, casting shadows tall. Memories like whispers of a time gone by. In the heart of Axminster where love never dies. And we laugh and we cry underneath the Devon sky, with our hearts open wide. In Axminster we confide. Saturdays we take the bus down to Lyme, Regis, hoping for some sunshine, dodging English rain. Life was simple back when we were young. Every corner held a story, every song was sung. Town grew quiet as the night would fall. Streetlights flicker, casting shadows tall. Memories like whispers of a time gone by. In the heart of Axminster where love never dies.
Umbrellas up.
I'm trying to get away over there.
I do houses, yeah, but I don't put roll. I don't, Rachel, when we take their roofs off, we don't say, here, have an umbrella.
You got everyone looking happy.
And again.